Life is so unpredictable, and that's what's nice about it. The more you try to predict it, the more you fumble. Because yabona lento yokuzama ukupredicta ukuthi what is going to happen. Inkinga iyodwa ukuthi vele ayikho into ekhona ngale kwamanje. Ayikho into ekhona eyenziwe ukuthi ikhona ilinde wena. Ayikho. That is the problem. By the time when now you try to predict what is going to happen, you are already creating something that is not even there, because the next moment is created by the current moment. This moment is a good recipe for the next moment. So what you have to know, Guti, your mind is going to use the information it has and what it already knows to predict the future, and you start to feel the emotions of something that has not even happened as yet, and by so doing you attract it, because there is nothing that is fixed and created before now, after now. You know what I mean? Ayikho into ekhona. Reality is being created and collapsed by the time you experience it. And as you engage with it, with your consciousness, ayikho into ekhona ngale kwamanje ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasha uthi kungenzeka noma yini, noma inini, noma kanjani, kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Nansi into eyenzakalayo. Uyazi ukuthi yini potentially eyenza ingane ingalimali mangabe imoto igingqika. Thola ukuthi bafe bonke kusinda ingane encane. Ingoba ayikho resistant. Ngesikhathi imoto iphenduka ayizami ukwenza lutho. Iya surrender vele by default. So ayizami ukupredicta and try to survive. But umuntu by the time ezama ukupredict impilo ukuthi what is going to happen ushayisana nayo. Yabo? That's what happens. Ngoba naye umuntu make inqika imoto uzama ukubambelela, uzama ukwenza, uzama ukuyiphephisa, by that time uyayilimaza. Ngoba akasurrender. So ke into efanayo nasempilweni, by the time you try to predict it, ushayisana nayo. We are creating worst case scenarios for yourself, and you think bekuvele kudaliwe kanti wena ucreateile. Ngoba bekungekho. It was existing as a potential, but wena ngokwe quantum mechanics and through the quantum field, wena usu attractile leyo reality. Because yabo, by the time you surrender and you are comfortable with the unknown, you are not trying to micromanage life. Le energy field ekuthiwa i-aura yakho, your auric field, iba enhanced and you become protected. You become creative. You activate your parasympathetic nervous system. That is the system that is responsible for digestion, relaxation, healing your body. Ngaleyo ndlela you access your subconscious mind, and that is where you are able to create your very great future reality. But mawuzama ukupredict impilo and the worst case scenarios, and you are trying to survive, trying to make mitigations now, and like tweaking some parameters for future threats. Already we are drawing from this invisible field. We are drawing from it to survive. We are in a survival mode, and there is no energy that is left for creativity and body repair. That's what happens. You are in a survival mode for something that might not even happen. Do you think inkukhu ziyastresseka nje ukuthi where will the next meal come from? But don't they survive? They survive. Who is important between you and chickens? Obviously, when you are given dominion, akulingwana phela ngokwamazinga. Yabo? When you are most even closer to God. We are closer. If I talk about God, I'm talking about the highest consciousness. We are closer when. yabo. You have passed the levels ilwane operator kuyona. Manje wena futhi sufferisha the most, you suffer more than them, because wena you have the access to the future and the past. That's what punishes you. So trying to predict life, it's gonna hurt you. Life is so unpredictable. It is a paradox, because if you don't try to predict life, that's where life happens the way you want it to happen. If you don't try to predict it, you just make a wish, you place a wish, and then you wish things gonna happen. You do what you need to do, you do your best, and then God do the rest. That it's just that simple. I know it's simpler, it's easier said than done. But you place an order. If you go to a restaurant, you don't place an order and follow the waiter and check whether the waiter and waitress he is busy performing or is busy preparing your meal. You don't do that. Ithi ayibona ke lento yesilungu ibuye ibe sidina kuphi. Makumele ngikubingelele, kumele ngibheke isikhathi ukuthi u-afternoon manje ushaya u-12 noma u-morning. Wait. So in a nutshell, surrender to the unknown, it's what's gonna make you and enables you to feel the elevated emotions, because you won't have something to stress about. You'll draw more energy from the quantum field. What the use of trying to micromanage life and think of the worst case scenario if it will happen? What the point? If it's gonna happen, it's gonna happen. What the point of thinking it? In fact, do you know what the opposite is true? If you think it was going to happen, the worst case scenario, it might not even happen, just because when you did not play it in your mind. That's what makes it not to happen. Yabo? But ingqondo inakho ukuyitshela ukuthi umizama ukufigureisha out impilo, ila khona izoba ne-certain, and then ila khona izoba free. But the truth of the matter is, I figure kulelo point la eba free khona ukuthi now I'm certain. No, I figure kulelo point. And izinto oyicabangela ukuthi izokwenzeka azenzeka ngale ndlela ocabanga ngayo, azenzeka ngalo ndlela. So allow the unpredictability of life. That is where you'll be able to live life. Because I used to say you cannot think life and live it. It's either you think it or you live it. You can't do both at the same time. If you try to figure it out, you are not going to live it. You live in your head, and you'll be creating all these stories and attracting all this negativity, all the reality that you don't even want. That's what is going to happen. Life is unpredictable, and if something unpredictable happens, it's a wow. That's what's awesome about this thing of life. You don't know what lies the corner, what's there around the corner. You don't even know, and it's just a surprise. Nice. Do you know what? I might think I'm going to have 2 room engizowakha, only to find ukuthi impilo ivele ngithi gaga ngo 11 rooms, noma ngithi gaga nge-double story impilo. It's a wow. But this was not going to be a wow if I already know everything about my life from this point. I know everything already. No, life is unpredictable. But for now, what I know, which I wish 1, 2, 3 can happen, that is the desired reality for me. But I know what life is unpredictable. And acceptance, man. Then the ones who step of acceptance. Ukuze ungazitholi uba locked entweni ebeyivele izokwenzeka kuwe, uyithole wena u-locked kuyona, ungakwazi ukumove ngenxa ukuthi wena you were fixated so much, and ubuyihold ubambelele kakhulu kulento obuyifuna wena, yabo. Ufixated kuyona, ubu-attached kwi-outcome. Awusakwazi ke manje uku-accept ukuthi a new reality has happened for you, udlule.